I googled the closest Vietnamese place near me and it brought me to Tada's Kitchen in Brandon, Florida. Here's the egg rolls and here's the shrimp that's wrapped. Let's try these egg rolls, they're nice and hot. Ooh, very hot. Pretty good egg roll. I'm gonna go 8.9 on this one. Here's the shrimp. Ooh, very hot. This has really good flavor. 8.7. Just to annoy you guys, I'll eat the tail. I ended up switching it up to bún bò Huế instead of pho, and look how pretty that looks. Here's all the toppings. You add everything in. Cabbage, jalapenos, bean sprouts, squeeze your lime in. I almost forgot the Thai basil. This would be a crime if I forgot to put this in here. We're gonna do a little mixy, mixy. Look at this giant pork hock. All right, let's taste the broth. Oh, that's good. The reason why I love bún bò Huế is that you get this beef, you get this this pork patty, and obviously all the other meats in here. All right. I'm gonna add a little bit of fish sauce in here. It just needs a little bit. I forgot to put black pepper in here. You guys know I love black pepper. Let's eat some fun things. This is a pork blood block. A block of pork blood. It's just like gelatinous. Here's some tendon. Here's the pork hock. Trying to figure a spot to eat it. For the bún bò Huế, very good flavors. You can taste everything. I'm gonna go 8.8 for this. I can see why this place got a 4.8 Google rating. It was really good. I liked everything. Everything tasted really good. My friends liked it too.